Yo, what's going on YouTube? About another video today. So currently right now, y'all seen the previous two videos, which would have been the ambient lighting videos for my car and my cousin's car. It's the SCI and the K5. So I actually have a client that actually reached out to me and wanted me to do it for that. But in the meantime, I actually ordered a lot more, and now Tim with an SI wants to do it too. But since I'm busy doing the client's car and everything like that, he's gonna go ahead and take over today's video and record everything, and I'm gonna help him out whenever I'm done with the client's car to do the routing, the wiring, everything. So in the meantime, got Tim, he's gonna do everything like that. So we'll go ahead and pass the camera over to him. But in the meantime, let me show you SCI, because I actually finally cleaned it and it looks great. Damn, look at the car though. It looks so good just with the new camera. It's amazing. Let me show y'all the rears. And car looking nice. Don't worry guys, soon that's gonna change. Those two, or I guess those three, it's gonna change soon. Stay tuned, y'all gonna see a new video soon. In the meantime, I'll go ahead and pass the camera to Tim. I'm gonna go work on the client's car. And then I might show you the final review for that car too. They only wanted 4 strips instead of 6 on the dash, because the car comes with a little bit already. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass the camera to Tim, and I'll see y'all later. Currently testing out the lights, make sure they all work. And we straight. All right, now he gets the camera. All right guys, Tim here. We got Sang doing the door right now, tucking this side. I'm about to go do the interior trim with the re-ump tape and all that, and then I'll get back to y'all. All right, we just finished the front 2 doors, and now we got this side right here. So with this car, it didn't fit, or it didn't adhesive right here. So we had to put a piece of duct tape, and then it will stick to that. But you know, you can't even see it. So now we're just gonna work on this side. We're gonna go behind the screen and stuff like that. So boom, again, gonna put a piece of duct tape here, go all the way through, and right here it should adhesive all the way on top of that. So we should be fine on that. Here's that other door. Yep. I got a quick update for y'all. Got some new progress. Got both the front doors, and got the other door. I guess both the front doors are done. Now working on the dash, and then we're gonna work on the rear. Client's car currently almost done. I'm gonna help them out real quick. I'm gonna tuck the wires together. All right, so we finished the front and the dash. Now we're working on the back door. As you can see, this is in right now. We're just fixing up right here, and then we're moving on to that side. It's getting a little dark outside. I'm not gonna lie, it's taking a lot longer than I thought. Client's car is almost done as well. I'm gonna go ahead and route the line, the wires for everything, and then that's what they're currently doing right now. So we're trying to see where the wires go and everything like that. So we'll get back to you guys whenever we're done with the Civic, because I don't know if I'll have time for the client's car. If not, then I'll show y'all. But if we do, I'll show y'all. If not, then we'll do the Civic. I'll catch y'all later. All right, guys, we just finished up the back doors over here and over there. Now we're just taping up, making sure all the wires are hidden right here on the door. We'll get back. All right, guys, currently 10:58. I don't know if y'all can tell from there. Had to go eat real quick, had some wings stop. But I finally finished the client's car. They're actually on the way to pick it up right now. They're about 10 minutes out. So I already told them about the time frame and everything. They said they're all good with it because they don't got nothing to do. So I'll go ahead and show y'all. And I know Tim's video for Tim's car kind of shut off real quick because it got dark. He had to go somewhere. So we're gonna finish that up tomorrow. So I'm gonna continue the video, but I'm not gonna end it yet. Let me go ahead and show you the client's car. And yes, they wanted it to be on this setting. They wanted the 4 doors. Boom. Back to the rears. And yes, they wanted it on the rainbow setting. I got that for them. All the wires are neatly tucked up. The only thing is the only cigarette lighter they have is in the center console and the rear. I tried to run it from the rear. Lines were not long enough, so I just went for the center console to hit all the wires for them. Yeah, bro, it looks pretty tough. Looks pretty tough, though. Here's the rear shot. Boom. Yeah, the next clip y'all see should be of Tim's car, so I'm gonna get a cut to it. Alright, so it's the next morning. Currently, excuse the hair. I just woke up, I'm not gonna lie. Currently working on Tim's car before he goes to work. We're gonna at least try to knock out the fronts before we do the rears. So then he has work, obviously, in like 2 hours. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna get back to you when we're done with the wiring. Alright, excuse my sweaty self, but we actually managed to get it done before he had work. And here are the results. So for everything, we took the wires underneath the center console right there. And we had it run that way. And then the two shorter ones go this way, under that, go past here to here. Long cords go over to those two doors over there. Run back here underneath the seat. And then goes down that way and that way. And the shortest wire goes to this light right there. And the other medium length goes to that side right there. Honestly, I'm surprised that I actually was able to finish it. He's in here changing right now, so he has work. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning everything up. So, y'all like the video, make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe. Also, look at the car was clean. And I don't know where it started raining. It started raining, and then it's hot. Dried up very quickly. And yeah, now there's water spots everywhere. So, might try to go flick up somewhere, but I'm not sure yet. And yeah. That's what I was saying. Y'all like the video, make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe, hit a comment. Follow the socials down in the description. Oh, down in the descriptions. And I'll catch y'all later.